Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Storage is of prime importance in any house, more so in a small one, and a sliding door wardrobe is an ultimate solution that helps to provide storage space without cluttering up the room. Whether you want to give your room a makeover or are designing a new home, sliding door wardrobe are a functional and aesthetically appealing options. These doors are fixed in channels at top or bottom of a closet frame and move horizontally along the track. Wardrobes with sliding doors are decor choices which can add tremendous value in terms of function and style. Since such doors slide on channels, they don't need any space to open out like swinging doors, making them an ideal storage solution for small bedrooms and rooms or hallways with limited space. Moreover, with the range of material, finishes, and patterns that sliding doors are available in or can be designed in, the aesthetic features of the furniture are practically limitless. Watch this video on sliding door wardrobe design ideas in 2020 to make the right choice for your furniture. Who knows where the decision will lead you to? Glass sliding door wardrobes have much to boast about in the world of decor. Their clean and classic finish whispers elegance and instantly adds understated chic, the way it does in the dressing area of a bedroom. Note how the interiors of the wardrobe are organized for practicality and style as the contents are on display. Glass has the added advantage of magically expanding a space, making it look more open and bigger. If you like the cool chic that glass brings but don't want to put that content of yours, perhaps messy wardrobe on show for the world to see, explore the wonder of frosted glass, a storage solution for a cramped space and an additional modern touch. Both are achieved by frosted glass sliding doors. The wardrobe fit into the limited space between your bed and wall. Also, frosted glass pair well with the exposed brick, resulting in a modern look. Magicians have been using smoke and mirrors for centuries to cast their spell and spin their web of illusion. You can do the same using mirror for your sliding door wardrobe designs for the bedroom. Mirrors reflect the room, making it seemingly look much bigger than it is. They also add oodles of glamour. A Murphy bed with a sofa accessory is integrated into the wardrobe, and the entire room is done up with grey, white, and black with tones of metal, glass, and get beautifully reflected in wall to wall mirror sliding door wardrobes. White and black are timeless and keep with 2020-2021 interior decor forecast, as is opting for notes of metals. You don't have to go to the whole hog and install mirrors on every panels or doors of your sliding wardrobe. Mirror can be artfully integrated into the wardrobe with only one panel being covered with a mirror. The stripped pattern can be reversed and copied onto other wooden sliding doors of the wardrobe, making for a cohesive and interesting effect. Stripped patterns can be used on the additional sliding doors that hides the television and on the headboard behind your bed. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern sliding door wardrobe, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior, then you should check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and bookmark it. Also, our Android app is also available on Play Store. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Telegram. All the link is there in the description box below. One of the main reasons that wardrobes with sliding doors are ideal for small house is that they save space. Since the door of the closet don't open outward, they allow accessibility without restricting movement within the room. It makes them an excellent option for fitted wardrobe doors in a tiny bedroom or even narrow hallway. Additionally, by using high quality systems that slide smoothly and silently, you can say goodbye to cracking wardrobe doors that disturb your sleep. The soft close system is sliding door help to maintain the quietness within a bedroom. Sliding doors are versatile as they can be made from a range of material including wood, glass, making them adaptable to almost any style. Most often, one sees wardrobe with sliding door in modern apartments and houses. Therefore, many homeowners wonder whether they will look good even in a home with a classic or rustic design style. Since there is no restriction on the type of material used for fitted wardrobe doors with sliding systems, they can be designed to suit any design style. Glass sliding wardrobe doors are the ultimate when it comes to creating a modern, minimalistic look, whereas doors with a veneer in a polished or natural wood finish are a great choice for the classic or country style homes. Depending on the style you want to follow in your bedroom, you can consult an interior designer to get recommended on the best material for your sliding door wardrobes. Themed rooms can be a delight to design the interior for. Treat the sliding door of the wardrobe as a canvas to work with and create an unexpected element of surprise. Themed room complete justice to the decor dreams of its occupant. The sliding doors of your wardrobe are designed such that when closed can have the familiar pattern called truncated icosahedron. The lines of the pattern continues up to the overhead loft and decor is extended to the other part of the room. Need plenty of storage space? Have a bedroom wall to spare? Install a wall of wardrobe that stretches across the room. These complement each other and break up the monotony of the space. Tall handles made of metal reflect the 2020 and 21 design trends and further accent the finish, adding details to the look. Overhead loft with swinging doors provide additional storage, making every hoarder dream come true. Geometric patterns are very much in 2020 and 21 with its pattern wallpaper, styled wardrobe, sliding doors, and geometric bedspread. It is a study in geometry. The modern wardrobe sliding doors keep it from being too busy, while the rest of the room is bursting with geometric pattern. White blocks of the door of the sliding wardrobe provides an area for the eye to rest, lending a soothing effect to the bedroom. The overall look is breezy and modern while being calming. There is nothing a teenager wants more than be cool, and you can help them achieve cool in their bedroom through some clever interior design choices. Small and narrow bedroom can be made the most of through the choice of furniture and furnishing. The dimension of the room make swinging wardrobe doors impossible. The storage dilemma is solved by sliding doors wardrobe design. Extra storage solutions have been added in the form of open shelves that flank the wardrobe. A reflective false ceiling further adds height to the room. The cool dark color tone in a block on the door of the sliding wardrobe further make an otherwise bland room look fresh and stylish. Moreover, green is trending in hard in 2020, making it perfect choice for a teenager bedroom. So you can use different color according to your choice. The critical factor to be considered while choosing the material for sliding doors is that it should be light so that the metal channel in which the door stand can bear the load easily. Generally, block board, particle board, plywood and MDF are the preferred materials for sliding doors.